Flat rate moving services, what to expect. Since moving is already a big task, unanticipated costs shouldn't increase its stress. Best Miami Movers recognizes the annoyance that can come from encountering unexpected fees after a tiring day of moving. How do flat rate moving services help save money and avoid hidden fees? A major source of frustration with conventional moving services is the lack of clarity regarding expenses. No matter the size of your residence, whether a small apartment or a large house, you will be aware of the total cost prior to moving day. No surprises or hidden costs at the last minute, only a straightforward and equitable price. Why choose flat rate pricing over hourly rates? Flat rate pricing isn't just about knowing your costs, it's about peace of mind. With an hourly rate, the clock is always ticking, and that can create unnecessary stress. How Best Miami Movers ensures transparent pricing. We don't believe in guesswork when it comes to your moving costs. When you request a quote, we take the time to understand your move. No matter if your move is close by or to the other side of the country, our flat rate pricing covers both local Miami movers and long-distance relocations. If you are looking for a budget-friendly moving company in Miami that emphasizes transparency and dependability, we can help. Get more tips and free moving quote in our website bestpricemovingquotes.com.